Number one, what's your emergency?
I got a guy ran over to me at Kohl's at 120th in Colorado. Said someone's robbing the bank at Wells Fargo right here.
Oh, okay.
Right by the Grease Monkey on 120th in Colorado.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. So
he's freaking out. I'm not sure. He's just screaming, saying, "They're robbing the bank! They're robbing the bank! Call 911!" I'm like, what?
Okay.
So I guess.
I almost wonder. Hold on one second. Yeah. Okay. Give me 1 second. So he just ran over. He didn't say what they were doing. He just ran over to. Is he still with you guys?
He just said they're robbing the bank.
Okay.
And he's over here. People are.
No, I got to think.
No idea.
So the Wells Fargo at 120th in Colorado, correct?
He says they're yelling, "Don't go in the bank."
Okay.
He's freaking out. There's something wrong.
Where are you at?
I'm in front of Kohl's.
Okay.
In the parking lot.
Officers, continue to give information, otherwise I'm going to terminate it.
Passing Rosemary, eastbound on 88th. Speeds are 85, traffic is light.
Go by Commerce City, please. I've got county with me. And 312 are jumping to the area, 88 in Colorado as well.
He just wrecked out at Highway 2 and 88th. Highway 2 and 88th.
This is your...
Hey! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! 111, shots fired! Shots fired! 111, shots fired! Shots fired! He's got a shotgun! Get down! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Get on the ground! 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 Get your hands out! Get your hands out! I don't see another person in the car.
Don't fucking move! Hands out in front of you now! Moving in the front, moving in the front.
I think that's the airbag.
No, he's moving, he's moving. You in the car! Put your hands up! He's reaching for something.
Put your hands up, you in the car! Police are under arrest!
Stage medical in the area.
Watch him!
Police are under arrest! Crashed out, Highway 36. Crashed on Highway 2, 88. We got one down on the ground, one in the car still.
111, we got one in the car that's not responding to commands. Shotgun is still in the car.
I'll shoot you!
Get down! Hey!
712, I'm on scene with them.
Get him, go get him.
111, we got the driver crossing the roadway wearing a white jacket, black jeans now. He's the one who had the shotgun. Hey, we need to get the driver over there! Two! Get the driver, he's running! Get the driver, he's running! .111, this male may be attempting to carjack another car.
Get your hands up! Get your hands up, you in the car! Shot fired! Shot fired! Shot fired! Shot fired! Shot fired! Get down! Drop the gun!
411, more shots fired. Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Police, get on the ground! Do it now! Get your hands up! Get your hands out like an airplane! Get your hands out! Get your hands out!
Get on the ground, get your hands out! Get your hands out! I don't see another person in the car.
Move, hands out in front of you now!
Put your hands out!
In the front, moving in the front.
Moving in the front. You in the car, put your hands up! You in the car, put your hands up! Put your hands up! He's reaching for something. Put your hands up, you in the car! Police are under arrest! Police are under arrest! One in the car still. Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
We got one in the car that's not responding to command. Shotgun is still in the car.
No! Hey!
Hey! Travis 12 on 1 thing with him.
Let County know he's running eastbound across the railroad tracks on the highway 2. I think he's armed, I don't know.